Hi everybody, I'm Mom and I welcome you all to MomDas Life Handmade. This is month of May and I'm here to invite you again for the Useful DIY Challenge May 2020. What do you think about cardboards? They're great packaging material, yes, but they are great for crafting as well. You bend them, you fold them, you layer them and you get a strong object to work with. And you can paint them. And for people like me who don't know much of wood crafting or power tools, we can easily cut them to any size or shape. So this month's theme is cardboard crafts. You have to make something, anything that you feel like, which will be useful for you or your home, and it has to be made out of cardboards. The basic material for anything that you create this time should be cardboard. So cardboard crafts. Now let's meet the co-host of this month. She is Yelena from Blondie Next Door. Now Yelena is a beautiful YouTuber. She does beautiful work. Do visit her channel. I'll put a card link above and as well as the link to her channel in the description box of this video. She does wonderful DIYs. I like the kind of raw materials she uses to create her products, and the technique she uses as well as the final look is very elegant. So I really like her DIY and crafting ideas. So Yelena is going to be the co-host. I thank her for being the co-host for this month's challenge. Now let's quickly go on to the rules of the challenge. Rule number 1. In the title of your video, along with all the words that you want to add, do add the words useful DIY. Rule number 2. In the description box of your video, use the word #cardboardcraftsusefuldiy. I repeat, #cardboardcraftsusefuldiy. Rule number 3. You must be subscribed to both our channels, that is MomDas Life Handmade and Blondie Next Door. Rule number 4. You must mention the hosts, that is Mom from MomDas Life Handmade and Yelena from Blondie Next Door. Along with it, you must mention the playlist for the Useful DIY Challenge May 2020 in your video as well as in the description box of your video so that more people get to visit all the videos that are there. Rule number 5. This is a DIY project. Obviously, you got to show us the process, how you started with mere cardboard and how you made your final product. Rule number 6, the date and time for the upload of the video. So this month's challenge upload date is going to be 18th May 2020 at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So it's 18th May at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time translates to 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on 18th of May. If you have any issues with the time, just Google and find out. It will give you the translation in your local time. I'll create an auto playlist, so if you adhere to the rules of the challenge, YouTube will be easily able to pick your videos and add it to the playlist. If you have any issues adding your videos to the playlist, you can contact me or you can even contact Yelena to get your videos added to the playlist. I hope you will all join us with your DIYs for this month using cardboards. I picked the theme of cardboards because I think everybody will have small or a big piece of cardboard lying somewhere in your home, and so we can be crafty and use it and inspire ourselves and others to be creative. So see you all on 18th May 2020 5 p.m. with our own cardboard crafts, and until then, be positive, be creative and be happy.